tool is made to fit right in that little slot there. And right now I might be able to turn it with my hand since I loosened it up a little bit. Maybe not. Now you can see that this tool is made similar to the little white piece of plastic tool that they gave us in the box. It's got the little cutouts so that you can twist and turn the cartridge. But personally I like the plastic one better. I actually just use this to pull it out. And you see that came out fairly easy. Sometimes they don't come out that easy, and then that's going to be another video. And what you see here, I have a bar of soap here that I grabbed from the side there, and I'm going to take some of that soap and I'm using it as lubrication to lube up the O-rings and stuff like that, so that it'll slide in without any snags. I mean, some of the packages do come with a little packet of oil. This particular packet didn't, so we're going to use the soap. It works out good. Okay, this is important, and this is a warning. Do not forget to replace this retainer pin, because if you do, when you go to turn the water back on and that retainer pin is not there, that cartridge will shoot out like a missile and someone could get hurt. So make sure that that retainer is in place. Now that we have the retainer in place, we can just start putting everything back together. Usually when you do put it back together, you want to put that part in that I just did first. It makes it a little easier to kind of line it up. And yes, this would be a good time to replace all the trim, put some new trim in there.